Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget. Today we have the Galaxy M10 with us and we will be giving you an initial impressions review of this device. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, we have the Galaxy M10 and this is a 3GB 32GB variant and we got it from Amazon for a price of 9,000. Towards the back, all the specifications are written. It has got a 6.2-inch Infinity V display, 13 megapixel front back camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and all these details about the specifications which we can come later on. So moving towards the package, we have the phone and we have the travel adapter. The travel adapter is not a fast charger, it's just a normal charger which supports like 1 ampere 5 watts. And towards the data cable, it is just a normal micro USB cable and it is not a type C cable. So moving right to the device, the main highlight of Samsung Galaxy M10 is its screen with its water drop style notch at the top for the front camera. So this notch looks exactly similar to what we get in phones like OnePlus 60 and Oppo F9 Pro, and it has got a thin black border that can be seen all around the screen with it stretching almost till the top edge and leaving a narrow chin area at the bottom. So moving to the back side of the device, the Galaxy M10 is made up of plastic and it has got a curved edges and corners. We have the 3.5mm audio jack and we get the normal USB port for charging. So when we compare it to the Galaxy M20, this device doesn't come with a fingerprint scanner and you will have to adjust with the face lock. And another interesting feature about this device is it has an external storage. So along with 2 nano SIM cards, you can use an external storage. So talking about the camera of the device, the Samsung Galaxy M10 features a dual camera setup and it is comprised of a 13 megapixel back camera with an aperture of f1.9 and a 5 megapixel secondary sensor with an aperture of f2.2. The secondary camera enables ultra wide angle photography which can be selected directly using the camera. So moving to the front, you will get a 5 megapixel f2.0 front camera, and regarding the camera quality and testing, I will make a dedicated video of it and I will compare it with the Galaxy M20 and post a separate video on it. The screen on this device is of 6.22-inch HD Plus resolution Infinity V TFT display and it has got a resolution of just 720p, which is a drawback, but still all the phones in this price segment just have a 720p display, and you will also get a 19:9 aspect ratio. So moving to the specification and software used in this device, it comes with the Exynos 7870 octa-core processor. It was like released 2 years back. I don't know like why they are using an outdated processor. They should have included at least a new processor. And talking about the RAM of the device which I currently have is a 3GB RAM and it supports like 32GB of memory. You also get another variant which comes with 2GB 16GB. So moving to the Android version used in this device, it is still running on Android 8.1. I thought it will directly get the Android Pie update, but still we don't have the Android Pie update. Maybe in future we'll get it. So other than that, it runs on Samsung Experience UI 9.5. It has got some bloatwares. I believe that can be uninstalled. I haven't tried it yet. So talking about the battery capacity of the device comes with a 3400 mAh battery and a 5-volt charger in the box. So if you compare it to the M20, it has got a 5000 mAh battery, but that device is quite heavier if you compare it to the M10. This M10 is very lightweight. So coming to the final verdict of this device, it is quite an affordable smartphone for this price segment, but we would recommend you to buy the 3GB 32GB variant of this device rather than going to the 2GB 16GB variant. So this device has got a lot of pros and it has got a very good display. The only drawback here is using an outdated processor. So this was just an introduction video or the initial impressions video of this device. We'll be making a lot of dedicated videos of this device after using this device for a week or two. So please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So until next time we meet, bye bye.